Hello creators, there is an exciting update on YouTube Shorts. Starting this month, creators may receive Shorts bonus between $100 and $10,000 from the YouTube Shorts Fund, even if your channels are not monetized. Who can receive this bonus? Creators who create original shorts on YouTube based on the performance of the shorts and the location from where it is watched. Your channel must uploaded an original shorts on YouTube in the last 180 days. Content should comply with community guidelines, copyright and monetization policies. Channels uploading content with watermarks of third-party social media platform won't be eligible for this bonus. Any re-uploaded and non-original content will also won't be eligible for the fund. You must be in an eligible country and you must be above the minimum age requirement to manage your own Google account, and if required you must have your parents or legal guardians permission. Now friends, if you are eligible for the bonus, you need to claim your shorts bonus. You will get a notification email from YouTube around 8 to 10 of the month asking you to claim your bonus. If you won't claim your bonus by 25th of the month, it may expire. So friends, keep in mind, to claim your bonus you need two steps. One, accept term and link your channel with existing Google AdSense account, or create a new AdSense account to link your channel. Once you have done, you will receive your bonus officially. You will be paid your bonus in between 21st and 26th of the month. This process will repeat every month. Currently, the eligible country for short bonus are shown on the screen. Well, that's it guys. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done before, and hit the bell icon to stay connected with my channel. See you in the next video. Bye.